Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video we will be drawing a Among Us crewmate dressed up as a Pikachu character. Yep. So the cool thing about the Among Us little crewmates, you can dress them up and that sort of thing. So yeah, that's what we're going to draw today. Alright, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. For this drawing you just need something to draw with, like a marker, yeah, some paper, and something, yeah, and then something to colour in with. Alright, are you ready to get started? Yep. Okay, let's go. Alright, so we've got our paper here, and first of all we are going to draw the visor or the helmet of the character. So it's just a bit of an oval shape like that. Very good, and then we're going to draw the body. So we'll just start on top of the visor, and there's going to be a bit of a curved head on the top there. And we're just going to go down. I'll just stop that here for now. Cool, and we're going to do his leg. So we're going to go down, nice rounded corners, up like that. And then a little gap in between his legs is a small curve like that. And we draw the other leg on the other side, and then just carry out all the way to his visor there. Right, so that's his body, and now let's draw his backpack actually. So his little backpack on the end there. So this looks like a normal crewmate from Among Us. So now we're going to add some other details to make it look like Pikachu. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw his ears up here. A nice oval with a point on it. Kind of almost looks like a bunny ear.
1 and 2.
Yep. And we'll do another one on the other side, and this one is going to be on a slight angle, because normally if you look at Pikachu, he's always got one ear up and one ear down. Yeah, alrighty. And then the next part we are going to do is his tail in here. So this kind of looks like a little bolt of lightning. So it's almost, what you do is, it's almost like making little steps. So that kind of looks like a lightning bolt. And what we do is we do a line down here, so that's the end of the tail. And then to close it off, we do similar kind of steps, a lightning bolt shape. Cool, like that.
Time.
Yeah, very cute. Well, before that, last thing we forgot is I'm just going to draw another little small oval here. That's for his cheeks, because he's got little red cheeks. And just behind the helmet here, I'm just going to do part of a circle because you can't see his full cheeks because it's on the other side.
Because the visor. That's
right, the visor's in the way. Alrighty, so now we're all ready to colour. So we're going to fast forward this part, and we'll be back very soon. And we're back. So we've finished colouring them in, and I think they look really amazing. Are you happy with yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. And yours, you put some extra details, some extra lightning bolts.
Lightning.
Yeah, it's Pikachu's special power, lightning. Yeah. There we go. We hope you followed along and had lots of fun. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.
Bye.